So I need to replace the negative battery cable on my 88 944 turbo. As you can see, my old one is in bad condition. So you can see where it bolts on right here, and it just goes through the firewall and runs down here to the engine ground, which is down in there. You can see more of the cable is very bad. You might have some of these zip tie things, press that and they'll slide out. So what you need to do to get down in there to see where the cable connects to the engine, so you need to unbolt this little bracket with these that holds these plugs, and then unplug these plugs. This one, and this one. And this bracket is held on by a 10mm bolt that's right here. So after those are unplugged, undo that clamp and disconnect that thing right there, or you can disconnect it from right there, and then this will move out of the way and the ground is like right under there. You will have a little coolant loss from removing that hose, but now you can see that where the ground strap connects is right here. Looks like a 13mm. And when I say that you will lose coolant, I'm talking like 2 ounces. It's nothing to worry about. So you can see the 2 cables that came off of that stud. Gotta make sure they both go back on. Then get this bolt out, it's a 13mm. And then get the old wire out, reverse what you did, put the new wire in, bolt everything back down, and check your coolant level. I don't think it's going to change much, but then you're good to go. You can use some CRC battery terminal protector on the connection down there and the connections in there, just to keep them protected. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get one of these cables. Don't over tighten this bolt. It looks like the threads in the firewall are brass. If you strip those out, you might need to get a copper bolt or a brass bolt and send it through the firewall with a nut on the other side. It does go through right there. The condition of the wire actually isn't too bad. There's some surface corrosion, but still, this is probably the worst spot right here. I thought it was going to be much worse.